Hello folks, as I announced in the previous video, I'm gonna explain the logic behind first the horoscope signs and then the days of the week. As you can see, I already drawn the signs of horoscope. Here's Leo, Cancer, Aries, Taurus, and so on. And the reason I did this is because in the previous recording my phone went out of memory, and I'm not really in the mood to do it again, so I'll just explain it like I'll just show. I won't draw in the meantime, but I'll just here I marked the Sun as 0, and because Virgo is governed by Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. When I say governed, I assume you know about these things, which sign is connected. You don't need to know, but just I wanted to say that I want to try to convince you how position of the planets can affect the relationships between the horoscope signs or whatever. Anyway, let's go on. Libra is governed by Venus, which is second planet from the Sun. Scorpio is governed by Mars, and you see here I marked Mars as the third planet, and this is the trick. We have to leave out the Earth because there's no Earth, and it comes to logic when you do it like this. You'll see what I mean later, maybe. Sagittarius is governed by Jupiter, which is actually the fifth planet from the Sun, but without Earth it's the fourth planet. Capricorn is governed by Saturn, which is the sixth planet, but without Earth it's the fifth. And we go on. Now for Aquarius, we know that Aquarius is governed by two planets, and we'll leave out that other one, as well as Pisces is also governed by Uranus, I think, and Aquarius is governed by Neptune as well, but excuse me. So that's it then. Pisces are also governed by Jupiter, same as Sagittarius, and Aries is governed by Mars, same as Scorpio. Now we go on. Taurus is same as is governed by the same planet as Libra, which is Venus. Gemini ruled by Mercury, and here we see that Moon also has 0, means 0, so that's my interpretation, and this makes you think that if Sun and the Moon both mean 0, and there are both Saturns, which are the opposites of, I mean, horoscope-wise, they're opposites. Like they all give you the sum of 5. Let's say Venus and Mars are also opposites, and it gives you 5 if you add them together. And the same goes, you can see, I think. Yeah, the whole thing makes you think that what if the Moon is opposite to the Sun, because visually they're the same size in the sky, and what if all of those which are under, what if all of those are opposite? What if there's another planet which we don't see, and it's the opposite of, let's say, of Mercury, which would be this? Then Virgo and Gemini are both governed by Mercury, but what if one of them is some kind of opposite planet, like it would be with Sun and the Moon? But that's just my assumption then. Anyway, let's go to the days of the week. Now, in many languages, let's say in German and many Slavic languages, Wednesday is called like middle day, Mittag in German. And we also know from Italian words for days that also days are governed by planets. Monday. Yeah, I'll explain what I meant by why it's middle day. Why is Wednesday the middle day of the week? You will see. Monday, Moon day, it's governed by Moon. Tuesday is governed by not sure now. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, Sunday. Now let's jump to Wednesday and Thursday. Yeah, Tuesday is governed by Mars, which we said it's the third, because we leave out Earth, and Moon is 0, we said. Now we said this is the middle day, and that's where Thursday it's I think Jupiter. Anyway, Friday is governed by Venus, which is second. Saturday is by Saturn, which is fifth without Earth, and the Sun is 0. Mm. I'm pretty sure there's Mercury here and Jupiter here, and we see those also give us the sum of 5. If you I think it's pretty obvious. Uh, and also I think I'm gonna put the links in the description box, a link to the site I found, actually a picture which explains a bit how you get to those days with planets, and in the same picture it's explained the metals which correspond to planets, how these are connected.